Hi, I'm Prakyat, an HMS developer from Huawei India Research Center. Welcome to Develop with HMS Core. Today, I'm going to explain about MLKit and show the integration steps. If you want to watch the previous videos on MLKit, please click on the I button at the top right corner or see the link below. In this video, we will introduce the text embedding service of Huawei MLKit. The text embedding service allows you to enter Chinese and English words or sentences, query matching vector values, perform further research based on the query result. This service can be used in text search scenarios such as search based on keyword for news or article, which improves the search and browsing efficiency. Text embedding depends on the own cloud API for recognition. Now, let us get coding.
Open and sign in to Huawei developer website, go to console, App Gallery Connect, and open My Apps. Click on New App, enter the relevant information, select Add to Project, and click OK to create a project. Go to My Projects, click on OK to move to next screen. Select Manually enter the package name, and save. Set the data storage location. Add the SHA-256 certificate fingerprint for your application. Then, download agconnectservices.json file. Add agconnectservices.json file under app directory. Verify the package name that was mentioned in app gallery. Open project level build.gradle file at the Maven repositories under build scripts and all projects section, also at the class path. Open application level build.gradle file at the latest version of MLKit text embedding libraries under the dependencies section. Open the Android manifest file at the required permission. Open the layout XML file of the application. Add buttons. Create layouts for different text embedding features. Open the main activity of the application. Set the API key. Set the on-click listeners. Create an util class to get the ML text embedding analyzer object. Create ML text embedding setting object. Set the language. Create ML text embedding analyzer object. Set the click listener, get the analyzer. Call analyze sentences similarity and pass the entered sentences. On success callback, get the similarity value and display. Set the click listener. Get the analyzer. Call analyze words similarity and pass the entered words. On success callback, get the similarity value and display. Set the click listener. Get the analyzer. Call analyze similar words and pass the entered word and number. On success callback, get the list of similar words and display. Now, the coding is completed.
Let's try it out. To do that, open newly installed app, tap on check word similarity, enter two words and tap on check word similarity. It will display similarity value. Tap on check sentence similarity, enter two sentences and tap on check sentences similarity. It will display the similarity value. Tap on Get Similar Words, enter a word and number to get similar words. Tap on Check Similar Words, it will display the related words. You can also change the number and test. Well, that's all for today's episode. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments area below or visit Huawei developer website and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.